I am going to talk about my vacuum cleaner. I make this vacuum cleaner by one pipe, a container with a lid, and a CPU fan. What is this, sir?
Connector, power source.
If you connect with the power source and take it to a socket and on it, it can't be used with a 9-volt battery. It is only used with this power source. I will show you how it works.
So, lebih solo biasa.
Put this